to my channel. Welcome. Okay, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. So if that's what you're looking for, you have found it, and you would subscribe and you'd be one of my little doll babies, which I would love. Okay, today I am doing one of my wig tip videos because I do wig tip videos, I do wig reviews, I do Wigs 101, I do wig coaching, wig. Look, I get wiggy. My whole life is wigs, okay? So today I'm just doing a little quick tips video, and these are 5 tips for beginners to keep your synthetic wig cared for, okay? So if that's something that you want to see, stick around. Number 1 is to use products that are either made for a synthetic wig or that you have seen other people try and test for synthetic wigs. So for example, dry shampoo works very well on a synthetic wig, although it's not a synthetic wig product. But they do have like some conditioning sprays, some detangling sprays. It's best that you use them ones that are made for synthetic wigs, just because although we're using synthetic wigs as hair, it's not hair. It's fiber, so always keep that in mind. Number 2, gotta wash and condition this hair, okay? You're not gonna do it just like you would your regular hair, but your synthetic wigs do need to be washed. I'd say about every 8 to 10 wears, or unless you wear it out and you're sweating and then you have to wash it, okay? I wash my wigs using a combination of Tide Free and also Downy, which helps protect the fibers because they are fibers. I have a whole video on washing your wig and tips and tricks and Wigs 101 that is going to go a little bit more in depth in terms of synthetic wig care, so you can go ahead and check those out, and I'll link them down below as well. Number 3 is you need to have good habits with your wig as far as like storage, maintenance, what you're doing in between wears. I know sometimes if you're wearing a wig coming home late, it's like just throw it and take it off and deal with it in the morning. But what you really want to do is at least put them on one of these foam wig heads. You can get them on Amazon. I have it linked down below that you can purchase them. You can get them in Sally's Beauty. They're very inexpensive, but they are going to be extremely helpful if you are wanting to wear wigs regularly or if you're going to want to keep them nice in between wears. Number 4, if possible, is that try to rotate. So if you have a few synthetic wigs, try to rotate through them so that you limit the wear time and the damage that you might be doing to them. That also is going to reduce the need for you to wash the wig too if you're rotating through. I pretty much almost never wear the same wig twice, period. I do have a video series about my favorite wig in a new color to see if I still like it if it's in a different color. Those wigs are some of the few wigs that I actually not only wear regularly, but I wear and love so much that I bought them in a second color. But it's very rare because I review wigs, so I'm always wearing a different wig. My wigs probably last a lot longer because of that. But if you want them to last a lot longer, purchase a couple of few and then rotate through them, and then they're gonna last you past. The average is about 3 to 6 months for regular wear. So if you're doing that rotation, you're going to get at least 6 months out of it, 3 to 6 months, and maybe a little bit longer. Number 5 is to do minimal styling. The thing that's beautiful about synthetic wigs is they already come pre-styled. So unless something's janky when you get it or something happens to it, choose a wig that you like the style, which is part of the beauty of wearing a wig is that it's already pre-styled. The more heat that you're going to put on it, the more damage you're going to do. You're going to burn down and break down those fibers, and then that really is going to cut the life of your synthetic wig maybe in half, maybe even more. So those are my 5 quick tips for newbies with regard to wig care and keeping your synthetic wig lasting longer and cared for. If there's any other wig tips types quick videos you want me to go ahead and record, put that down below. If there's another video that you would like a topic where you want me to expand, like a Wigs 101, those are usually a little bit longer, more in depth, go ahead and put that down below. If you have subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you doll babies in my next video. Bye!